Hey, are you? Hi. Today I'm gonna play Cookie Run Kingdom. You won't hear the sound though. I don't know why. So, I don't think you're gonna hear my voice. Cotton cookie. Bro, I thought someone walk into the room and see me do some fucking videos. I like to do videos alone is because oh my god, Cotton's so strong. Look at she go, she just destroyed my team. I'll get revenge someday. Just got lazy. Let's go. I hear that pressure. Bro, I know you can't hear the sound, but the scream was sounding fucking loud. Sorry, so you can't hear the scream, the sound. I don't know why. I can't fix it. Everyone behind my hair. Do you guys think I'll win? I don't think I can win. I'm scared of Cotton Cookie. Cotton Cookie's so strong. But you and I will win. Watch me play Genshin if I have time. Hey, I have like homework tomorrow. Don't worry. You're scared about your exams? Oh shit, why did I press that? Yeah, my teeth. I was burp in front of the mic, man. What the fuck? I just need to play 2 more. But I'm lazy. I don't know what to do, man. Yeah, I got him. And him, and I was like in the bathroom, and then I wished one pool he came. But why in the bathroom? He was like in 2 pools. I just got him. Ginger Bravery, I just met him. Oh my god. The sad part about this is that I do not have Cherry Blossom Cookie. She didn't came home and she came out. I got so disappointed, man. I think that's it about this video. Just me fighting. I don't know what to do, that's why. Okay, so I hope you subscribe. Why the fuck? Too lazy to put stars anyways. He's forever. Look at his powers, so low. Oh, yeah, I think that's it. Okay, y'all, goodbye. Hope you have a great day. Cause this is like, okay, whatever. Bye.